These are the elevators at Penn Center West 1 in near Robinson Township, Pennsylvania. These are 1980s Westinghouse elevators. Get the left one, replaced chime. Up to 4. Interior go up. MPH. Here at 4, and hear the other one going down. Sadly, the fans on reach, so you can barely hear them over. Probably originally a dinner bell. We'll go back on the 1. Maybe found our closing. Press the button. We all love that. Certificate in the elevator room, the machine room. Nice redone cabs. I like the blue tile on the black tile floors. Each other COP. This one's vertical, the other one's horizontal. Button out. Indicator's built in, which I like that. Here, back on 1. I bet you the other elevator is counting since these are the only 2 elevators in the building. That looks like a newer Otis something grill. The closest one's going to be that Winsper note.